We are the best. You want the worst? You go across the street. You want the best? Stay right where you are.
What's goody, what's goody? It is your girl, the best fowler. I am back again with another video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified of when I next upload. In today's video, I am using my non-dominant hand to create this easy nail art design. Today's video is so simple, so easy, so quick. So I'm not going to talk through this video. I'm just going to play music. I hope you guys don't mind. But before I go, I do want to just do my check-in, of course. Today is Monday, December 4th. It is 4:54 in the afternoon. How are you guys doing? Drop a smiley face in the comment section if you're having a good day. If you're not having the best day, I do hope that my video brings you some joy. A little bit of an update on me. I just came back from getting my new equipment for my work from home job. If I haven't mentioned already, I am from Cleveland, Ohio. And if you know anything about Cleveland, our winters get brutal. So I will be enjoying my work from home job where I don't have to go out into this crazy winter weather. December/Christmas nail art videos are on the way, so don't forget to tune into those when they drop. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much to our new subscribers. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you're notified of when I next upload. I will be talking to you guys later.